this program, right, we are going to use two variables and we are going to get the input from the user, and this program we are going to get two inputs. Okay, the first input will be the number 1 and the second input will be number 2, and then we are going to print that by doing some addition. Okay, this program is basically addition, but the difference between this program and the earlier program is, right, in this program we are getting the input from the user itself. Okay, you can enter like 10, 20, 30, whatever number you want to add, you can pass it on. Okay, come on guys, any questions here? So how it works, the input of function is used to take the input from the user and the text inside the parenthesis. This is nothing but a prompt. Okay, and then so whenever you after entering the input, the value will be stored here in this variable, and the second input, the value will be stored here, and then you are just going to do add that and you are going to print that. Any guesses what will be the output? For example, no, I'm going to I'm going to pass the number itself, 5 and 10. What will be the output? What will be the output? No. Come on guys, give a try. Give a try and let me know. Listen everyone. So what's the output we are getting here? 5, 10. But it's supposed to be 15, right? Any guesses why we are getting 5, 10 instead of 15? So the input function will always give a string, okay, or text. So the input function will always gives the input as text. So it is given as a text as 5 as one text and 10 as one text, and when we are passing that, so this two was added as a text. Okay, so that's the reason why we are getting 510 instead of 15. So how we can fix that? So instead of storing this as a string, we should store as a number. Correct. So how we can store the string as a number? I'm not at all using any codes here. So by default, the input function will give us a string only. No, no. Okay, come on guys, do you want to have a solution? Yeah? So to solve the problem, what we have to do? We have to convert this string into integer. Okay? Yeah? So come on, the input of function will give us a string. This input function also giving us a string. Whatever we entering will be shown as a stored as a string. Now we are using this keyword int or in this function to convert the string into number. Okay, so this int, okay, this function int, this function, right, whatever you're passing, it will convert into number or integer. Okay, number or integer. Got it? So this process we call as typecasting. Okay, typecasting is a new concept. The same way input is a new concept, typecasting is a new process where we are changing the type of one variable into type of another variable. Okay, I will explain in detail when we go to the data type lesson. Okay, for time being, right, so use this int function to convert a string, this string into number. Okay, can you guys do it? And you will get the exact output.